unload the bus. We have arrived at Spring Valley Academy. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I'm recording on my phone because problems. Memory card. Got to talk to Harville on this one. Memory card is full. Thanks to Harville. Recording 2-hour-long videos out here. Spot, we out here. Shades of the Coliseum. 9:35. All right, we're gonna unload, get the rest of this done, then we'll eat. So, catch up with that in a bit. Amazing. We're all matching, guys.
What are the chances?
It's incredible.
Corn syrup in there?
What are the odds?
We didn't even plan this.
Corn syrup? What?
Crazy, just like off
Amazing.
the top of our heads. What a coincidence. What are you doing?
I did not see it.
The rare quarters it.
How's he not matching?
Back.
These aren't even my pants.
Oh.
These are it's jacket.
I was gonna say.
What?
Oh! 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 The violence.
Who's fat shaming our
Got Grub Nation over here, Chipotle on deck. Dinner time. Got the carnivores over here on this side, of which I am one, proudly. All right.
I'm not gonna lie, that's crazy. I actually thought it was a little bread and fries though.
Is that all the vegan people?
Look at the brisket.
Smells so good.
Did the brisket come with ribs? No.
Look at these dudes.
Yeah, right now. I just do it right now.
Angie's back at it again. Some things never change.
You already know.
The positions you find yourself in.
Tu sabe.
duct tape on those, so I know they've been broken before. 1 beat per second.
Right. Hey, we out here. This is like redemption from Acrofest, coming back and not getting Waffle House. But we getting it this time. I just echoed this same sentiment when I was outside.
Hey.
This is Acrofest redemption.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah.
That's why I gotta go. That's why I gotta go. She said, oh, it's a video.
I genuinely did that.
Man, you even know, Corey?
You should expect this by now. This is not unexpected
It's no
anymore.
no longer an
Come on,
expected.
Hannah. This is expected. We out here. We're here. Squad of yes, sir.
I think I found it. Ooh,
Not a game.
do they have turkey bacon?
We out here. Yes, Waffle House in the building. Let's go. Making up from Acrofest. Yes. We out here. Oh, they're eating already. Oh, my bad. What is going on? I just ordered. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all are in the right spot, right place. That's what's up. Oh, ready to go? Ordered up, ready to rumble? It's going down. Yes. Yes, indeed. You out here. What y'all got? What you trying to eat out here?
Some waffles.
Yes. Dubs on dubs. Let's go.
Bro, listen. It's $12. I need $12.75.
Just trying to finesse the system. Whoa! What is this? Worcester sauce? Oh, okay. 3? Oh man, that'd be a 1 for me. Yo, we out here. Save you from what?
I don't even know what's going on.
I don't even know either.
We're just having too good of a time.
Well, we like that. How y'all got? Olivia, are you okay? Sitting between two of the biggest dudes on the team.
I came here first. No.
Yo, what's good?
Chilling, man. Hey, we out here, Waffle House in the building. Let's go.
I want
Let's
waffles. Those waffles smell so good.
Yes, yes.
I'm about to start eating.
Whoa. It's okay. They got us covered.
She just threatened to stab me with her fork.
Whoa. The violence.
It's because I like, look at my face. No acne here.
Yeah, that's what he said. That's what I wanted to say.
Are you hating on him?
Yes.
Don't hate on him, brother. Don't hate on
You
him.
can't complain. Okay? I'm taking medication for it.
Be like that. Oh! We got it. Fun times. Look at this dude. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We out here.
Oh, it's a video.
It is a video. Oh man, we love it.
No, Corey, you really, I can't be, I'm not,
It's a tell-all moment.
I'm not responsible for this, you can't post this on
This isn't going out. This is just for the record.
So we're like dancing, right? We're doing the Cupid shuffle or whatever it is. And I'm standing off to the side, it's really hot, and I'm getting like, and like the boat's going up and down, so Osano, like everyone's getting jostled, right? And Osano comes stumbling up to me. And I'm like, oh my goodness, what's happening? I can see the look on his face, and he goes like, I accidentally grinded on Coach Dan.
Oh! What? I don't hurt at all. I hurt it all. Oh my God.
And I'm like, you what? And this man's trying to say, he's like,
What?
The boat jostled me into him. I don't know what happened.
That's crazy.
Oh, and that was on video too.
Definitely unexpected. That plot twist. I did not see that plot twist coming. I did not.
This stays with us. This stays with us.
I talked about it.
Bro, all I had to do was take a photo. We have photos.
No, is it okay in there?
Oh, yeah.
Is it okay?
Oh, is that what that is?
Not lying. I will.
Huh?
You're not lying.
You're so sweet.
Yeah, you guys don't want these guys, to be honest. Oh my
Yeah.
We out here, we out. So, subscribe